Hi, welcome to Coach Calculus channel. In this video, we'll be looking at quadratic roots and symmetric relations. So these are the questions we'll be considering. These two questions. Make sure you follow to the end of the video so you can get the best from it. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, do it to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can always have solution to your mathematical problems from this channel. Alright, these are the two questions. Without wasting our time, let's dive in. Solution. Now for the number one question, it says if alpha is equal to minus 1 over 2 is a root of the quadratic equation 8x squared minus bx minus 2 equals 0. Find the value of a, b, the other root, that is beta, and c, open bracket 1 over alpha minus 1 over beta, close bracket, and then square. So we'll be going through this question step by step. For the number one, we have to look for the for A, we have to find the value of B. And from this question, we are given that alpha is equal to minus 1 over 2. Equal to minus 1 over 2. And also the quadratic equation 8x squared minus 8x squared minus bx minus 3 equal 0. So what we'll be doing here is, since this is one of the roots of the quadratic equation, we're going to substitute this into this equation. So we have 8 8x squared minus bx minus 3 equal 0. Now substituting this value into the equation, we have 8 open bracket minus 1 over 2 square minus 1 over 2 square minus b open bracket minus 1 over 2 then minus 3 equal 0. Now minus 1 over 2 square will give us 1 over 4. So the next thing we have 8 times this value will give us 1 over 4 minus b times 1 over 2 minus b times 1 over 2, that will make it b plus b all over 2 plus b over 2 minus 3 equal 0. Now from this place here, we can do 8 times 1 over 4. That will give us 8 over 4 plus b over 2 minus 3 equal 0. And the 8 over 4, that is 2. 2 plus b over 2 minus 3 equals to 0. Now making b over 2 subject of the formula, we have b over 2 is equal to minus 2 will cross over to plus 3. That is 3 this plus 2. This one will cross over to minus 2. So this now will give me b over 2 is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1 rather, that is 1. Now this one now can also write it as 1 over 1. Then from here we can cross multiply b times 1 times b times 1 is equal to 2 times 1. So b times 1 is b is b b times 1 b, and 2 times 1 2. Therefore b equal to 2. So that is for A. Now for the B, for number 1 B, we are to find the other root. Which is beta. Now remember our quadratic equation in number 1 is x squared minus b x minus 3 equals 0. And from the A we just calculated, there that b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2. Now substituting that in this equation, so the quadratic equation now will become 8x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So these two now is the answer we got from number 1A. So it's very needful here. So now we have A equals to 8. Remember the standard quadratic formula. So A equals to 8, B equals to minus 2 now from this quadratic equation, and C is equal to minus 3. Now using Vieta's formula, we can say that sum of roots is equal to minus b over c, minus b over a rather, and product of roots equals to c over a. Now our b here is minus 2. So applying the formula, have this minus, then open bracket, minus 2 over a, which is 8 over 8 minus times minus, that will give us plus. I will have 2 over 8, which is simplified down as 1 over 4. That's 1 over 4. Also on this side, our c is minus 3, and then the a is 8. So this is the sum of roots and product of roots. Now we can now use this now to find the other root. Remember, sum of this plus this, sum of these two is equal to this now. That is, so since sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to 1 over 4, we can also deduct here that there's now beta, which we are looking for now. Beta is equal to this value now, which is 1 over 4 minus alpha. And remember from the question that alpha is being given to us as minus 1 over 2. So substituting it into this, we have 1 over 4, 1 over 4 minus, we have 1 over 4 minus, open bracket, minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2, that is equal to 1 over 4 minus minus that turn to plus 1 over 2. So LCM of these two is 8. LCM of 4 and 2, that is 4. So let's turn 4 here. 4 divided by 4, that is 1. 1 times 1, 1. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. So this plus this, that will give us this plus this. 1 plus 2, let's go to 3 over 4. So the value of beta, that is the second root now from the equation, is equal to 3 over 4. This is the solution to the B. And for the C, for the number 1C, we're asked to calculate 1 over alpha minus 1 over beta and the square. So make sure you follow step by step. We'll resolve this one also. Now calculating this, we have that LCM of these two, breaking down as their product alpha beta, then alpha this divided by this will cancel out this, then we have beta minus this one will cancel out this one here, so we have alpha minus alpha, then put it in brackets. So this is what we are actually calculating for now. Now remember from the previous, the value of beta that we just calculated now is 3 over 4. The value of beta that we just got from 1b now is 3 over 4. So the value of this now is 3 over 4 minus alpha, and alpha is given from the quadratic equation, which is open bracket minus 1 over 2 and close the bracket, and then over this over now, this is it, and then the product of roots is that we got was minus 3 over 8, then everything is in bracket square. Okay, square is equal to, now this plus this one, now this minus open bracket minus will turn to plus, so we now have 3 over 4, this turn plus, that is plus 1 over 2 close bracket over minus 3 over 8, and then in bracket square. This particular one up here will give us 5 over 4, and then over minus 3 over 8, and everything stay in bracket. So now we'll do 4 5 over 4, 5 over 4 times 8. Remember, it's double division here, so what we're going to do, we're going to use this one to multiply the inverse of the denominator, which will be given us as as 8 over minus 3, then close bracket square. Now in this particular place here we have that 4 here, 4 here is 1 and 4 here is 2, so 5 times 2, that will give us 5 times 2 will give us 10, 10 over minus 10 over minus 3 square, 10 over minus 3 square. So 10 square will give us 100, minus 3 square will give us 9. So this is the solution to number 1C. Alright, for the number 2, the question says if alpha and beta are roots of the equation 2x squared minus 8x plus 6 equals 0, find the values of a alpha plus beta, b 3 alpha beta, c open bracket 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta close bracket, then square. So for the number 2a, we have to look for the sum of roots. Before then, let's write out the equation here of the quadratic equation, which is 2x squared minus 8x plus 6 equals 0. Now from this equation we have that a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 8, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to 6. Now using that same Vieta's formula, you can see that sum of roots, which is what we are actually looking for the a. For a, sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b over a, Now minus b is minus 8, so minus open bracket minus 8 over a is 2 over 2, then minus to turn plus, that is 8 over 2, then equal to 4. So this is the sum of roots. Now for the b, for us to calculate the b, we need to find the value of the product of roots first. Okay, for the b, let me create a space for the b here. Number 2b. Now product of roots from this, from using that and Vieta's formula, product of roots is equal to c over a, and c here is 6. C is equal to 6 and the a is 2. Therefore product of roots is equal to 3. Now from the number 2b, we are actually looking for 3 times product of roots. Let's try the product of roots, which is 3 alpha beta. Remember, this value now is giving us 3. Therefore 3 alpha beta will give us 3 times this value now, alpha, 3 times alpha beta, which is 3 times this value, which is this 3, is equal to 9. So the solution to number 2b is 9. And from here we move over to number 2c. Which says we should find the value of open bracket 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, 1 over beta, and then square. So this is equal this. Now this particular one can be written as this one is simplified to have alpha, alpha, beta, alpha, beta. Then when you simplify, alpha divided by alpha will cancel alpha, so here will become beta, beta plus beta will cancel out beta, so here will become alpha, alpha, and then bracket everything, square, square. So this value, now remember we just calculated this as sum of roots here, which is 4. So the value of this one now is 4, irrespective of the position. It's still the same. Here we have alpha before beta, and beta before alpha, so it's still the same thing irrespective of the position. So the value of that is 4. Sum of root is 4, and product of roots that we just calculated here now is 3. So I'm going to write 4 over 3, 4 over 3, and then square, 4 over 3 square, then which is equal to 4 square, 4 times 4, 16, and 3 square, which is 3 times 3, that is 9. So the value of this now is 16 over 9. So these are the solutions to the questions. I've come to the end of this video, and remember, if this is your first time across this channel, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can always receive the best mathematics solutions. Thank you.